Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I've been video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for visible by Verizon. So as I'm recording this video, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is offered pre-orders at Visible. So when this video is live on YouTube, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be available for you guys to purchase from Visible, alright? So y'all guys can get it in a Phantom Black color, 2 storage options, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys are a fan of the Galaxy Note series, this is the phone for you because it has the S Pen and stuff like that, and it looks like the Galaxy Note from from a couple years ago. So yeah, if you guys like the Galaxy Note series, this is the phone for you. I like the design of the phone. Basically it's a Galaxy S23 Ultra, but the screen is less curved this year, so that's good, I guess, if you guys are not really a fan of like really curved displays, but here you guys go. So anyways, you guys got your S Pen there, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, earpiece on top there, your whole point to your front facing camera there. Right side, like I said, power button, volume keys. There's the left side there, the right side, my bad. And then the back of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is your camera setup there. You guys have 4 cameras on the back, camera flash, Samsung logo and whatnot. Alright. So the Galaxy S23 Ultra has 2 storage options, like I mentioned. 256 gigs for $33.31 a month for 36 months, $11.99 for retail price. The 512 gigabyte version is $38.31 a month for 36 months, or $13.79 for retail price. Alright. I suggest you guys get phone insurance for your phone because it's definitely worth it. So it says here, the S series has a legacy of pushing the boundaries of what smartphones can do, and with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, we are raising that bar again. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is more than just the next big step in mobile tech. With the highest camera resolution on the phone and stunning night mode powered by night photography, you can share those big moments no matter the lighting. Plus, with the fastest Snapdragon processor yet, juggle high intensity games, multiple apps, or video calls with ease. Write, sketch, edit, create, and share from anywhere with a built-in S Pen, and do all the above on an incredible large display built for gaming, streaming, creating, and doing. Enhance your day-to-day with a device that's anything but ordinary, and share the epic with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Best for the member that is looking for productivity in all aspects of life. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. This is a compatible 5G device roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date, alright? Specs: display 6.8 inches WQHD plus. The Galaxy S23 Ultra weighs 8.25 ounces. Dimensions 6.43 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. It takes a physical SIM card, and you guys will have a eSIM option as well. Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Rear cameras is 2 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, and then 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back. Alright, so your 200 megapixel camera, that's your main camera, and that's the biggest camera that's the biggest camera resolution ever on a phone to date, so that's fucking insane. 12 megapixel front facing camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, which will have an octa-core chip. 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage, 5,000 mAh battery, 45 watt wired fast charging, fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, 5G sub-6, roaming, yes. What comes in the box is Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone, data cable, which is Type-C to Type-C, quick start guide, terms and conditions, SIM ejection pin, and of course your S Pen. And if you guys want to learn more about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, I will have that link down below as well. So there you guys have the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's now here and visible by Verizon. Y'all guys can get it in 256 or 512GB of storage options. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series, this is the phone for you. It's basically the Galaxy Note, but now in the Ultra line from Samsung. So that's really cool. So nice looking phone, great specs, and I am a big fan of the design of the phone. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.